Welcome to IKM Sessions, a space we have created in order to explain the benefits of using mid-sense RTV coating for high voltage insulators. In this video, we are going to talk about how RTV coating prevents flashover on high voltage insulators. There is three main characteristics of RTV coating that prevent flashover from producing on high voltage insulators. The first one is hydrophobicity, and the second one is the resistance to UV radiation, and the third one is the adherence. And we are going to go discuss in detail about each one of these features. The first one is the hydrophobicity. Surface of an uncoated insulator presents high surface energy, means that the droplet of water will splash, will present high energy and will splash. This splash will lead to water filming, which is the first stage of leakage currents that will end up with the flashover. However, a coated insulator has low surface energy, and this low surface energy added to the liberation of low molecular weights that are in the bulk of the RTV coating that at the time will coat the contaminants and render them hydrophobic, will prevent water from filming, so we will not have any leakage currents, ergo we will have no flashover. This is one of the main characteristic of RTV coating on high voltage insulators: the hydrophobicity and the low molecular weights that encapsulates the contaminants. What we call it hydrophobicity transfer throughout the contaminant layer is, even though this insulator in its service life will be coated with contaminants, if the low molecular weights will travel throughout the bulk of the coating and will keep encapsulating the contaminants and preventing them from leaking currents. The second and most important is the resistance to UV radiation. RTV coating for its main composition, polydimethylsiloxane, is highly resistant to UV radiation. Why? Because the bonding between the silicon and oxygen is 445 kilojoules per molecule, whereas UV radiation strength is around 398 joule per molecule. This means that this bonding could not be interrupted by UV radiation. So this will give RTV coating long-term resistance to UV radiation. The third and most important, and one of the most important, is the adhesion. Once RTV coating is applied in correct way on the surface of the insulator, it is very difficult to remove. This adhesion will guarantee that the RTV will keep performing throughout many years, minimum 10 years. So, to summarize, the three main characteristics of how RTV coating protects are: 1. Hydrophobicity transfer; 2. UV resistance by its main composition; and 3. Its high adherence characteristics. For more information, visit our website, midsenikm.com, or connect with us in social media. Thank you very much for listening, and see you next time.